Hello and welcome to the front-end web development using Blazor for beginners. I am Narendra Kumar Sharma, a Microsoft certified .NET trainer. In this video series, we are going to cover all the essential fundamentals needed to start building web apps using Blazor. This video series on Blazor will help you build rich, data-driven web applications. Nowadays, Blazor is gaining great attraction, and if you want to stay in the market as a .NET developer, it is very important for you to have Blazor in your toolkit. Blazor is a modern .NET front-end web framework based on HTML, CSS, and C# that helps you build web apps faster. With Blazor, you build web apps using reusable components that can be run from both the client and the server, so that you can deliver great web experiences. It's a framework for building interactive UIs using C# instead of JavaScript. It runs on .NET and can operate on both the client side using WebAssembly and the server side using SignalR. Blazor supports both server-side rendering and client interactivity in a single programming model. This framework allows us to build entire web app from front-end to back-end using single development stack, sharing code for common logic on the client and the server. A key feature of Blazor is its component-based architecture. It is used for building interactive web applications using C# and .NET, and it is based on a flexible modular component model that is well suited for building applications with rich interactive web user interfaces. So now you know what Blazor is. Get ready, get set, and let's go build our first Blazor web app in next video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. Subscribe to CodeCamp for more videos. Thanks for watching.